Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we got a really cool one. Saw a nice little video that a 8-speed scat put out, and it was for his shaker hood. He had some of these RGB lights. Place them right in here. You you flip the shaker hood around. Once you get that puppy back on there, you got a little remote, tiny remote. It looks like this right here. Gives you all the different little color combinations, your red, greens, here are all the colors. You know, gives you a timer on it. Yeah, should be pretty dope. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. We're just gonna take some little tape. Comes with some adhesives for you to glue it on the back. You can always use, you know, maybe something a little heavier duty, which obviously would work better. That way they don't come off. These are battery operated. You just twist these right here and the battery comes right off. And you switch them out. They're powered by 3 AAAs. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock these in, put them into place, wait for it to get a tad bit darker, and I'll show you the results here at the end. All right, y'all, so check it out. I added these little self-adhesive stickers that they send in the package. I'm gonna try them out. I may have to wind up replacing them with, you know, something a little bit sturdier. And that's it. So you find your location where you wanna put it, drop it down, lock it in, and you're good to go. Gave myself that little arrow look right there, so I know nobody's gonna see this, but I think I'm gonna clean this up really quick. Just get all this water stains out of it. I did clean this with alcohol. I would definitely highly recommend you clean it with alcohol. That way these things stick nice and firmly. So yeah, let me go ahead and wipe this down really quick, push this back onto the car, and yeah, give you the final works, show you the final project. Make them dance again?
Dance, dance.
So that's the way it looks when you're driving around with them in the nighttime. I mean, it brings a lot of attention to you. I don't know, I see a lot of trucks now, you know, and cars that have underglows. I see trucks, lifted trucks that have the LEDs all up in the wheel wells. I don't know that you're gonna get pulled over. I guess just be cautious if you do decide to drive around like this. I mean, personally, I think it looks dope. I mean, it's like I said, it brings attention to the car, and man, it just looks different. When have you seen a shaker look like that and have a dancing little light show? I think it's pretty dope. One thing I don't like, they're not sequential, you know. I mean, they don't really match up too well, and sometimes they start to fall off, like you can see there. You can't always just switch it to one solid color. I just kind of wanted to show you all how it looks when everything's dancing around, strobing, flashing, doing all that good stuff. Well, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.